Hey, welcome to defining your daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly checklist. Now, I'll be the first to say that this series is a little bit different than probably what you would normally see with a checklist of sorts. And that's because a lot of the things that I've seen over the years of artist checklists are so completely vague and they don't really have a lot of information about how can I make this my own. So I'm taking this a step further so that you can have the tools that you need to make this your own. And what it essentially gets to, and when you create your daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, quarterly checklist, is time management and how to manage your time so that you can have more time to create. Because the beauty of the checklist is it really tells you exactly what you need to do, when you need to do it, and the idea behind it is the why you do it. The why is so that you can achieve your goals, right? So that's what we're really going to talk about, is how to break everything down to achieve the vision and goal that you want in the future. So in this course or series, we're actually going to follow this progression. So first we're going to lay the foundation. We're going to lay the foundation by defining your goals. And then we're going to break those goals down into monthly, weekly, and daily tasks. You'll also find that you'll gain the yearly and quarterly. I'm not specifically talking about that, but you're going to see it, okay? And that we do also address in the workbook itself. But all of these tasks should build based on your firm foundation of understanding what your goal is, okay? So from this point forward, you're going to hear me call this DWN, which is DWN. Daily, weekly, monthly checklist. It's just kind of a short little acronym, DWM, right? I came from the IT world. In IT, we have acronyms for everything under the sun. So this is your DWM moving forward. And each section in this series is laid out where we talk about the what and why first, and then you're gonna do the how. And I will walk through very specific examples of that based on what we actually do as artists, okay? So it's a lot of fun. I'm super excited about this. If you ever want to have me talk for like hours, just start talking about project management, because that's kind of what this is. But we're taking it at a very high level. And then if you want more advanced techniques, that's going to be the next series in this time management, when you want to start bringing in people to help you grow your business, and that you really need to have more advanced techniques. And we'll talk about that in the future, but let's start with the DWM right now. All right, so let's go ahead and get started.